What's up guys, your boy Casey and we're back again with another reaction video. So as you can see, I know it's been late guys, I'm sorry. Nachimbona ma comments chingoti abamura Voltz charareni chichi. Pane arrangements anganomboita but zvazongota. But anyways, tamwira sei tongorowa mese abamura Voltz. I'm sorry for the delay guys. I think I comment in the comment section there also that don't worry, coming soon, but yeah, coming soon. But anyways, so today, as you can see, we're reacting to fourth album, Life of Muvhimi. So let's see what the tutangani song EP, which one? Because I see what this album is trending and I think it's a banger. So I think I'm reacting to like 5 songs. So I'm starting with the Life of Muvhimi, the intro, then Kushingo Tirama. So I'll put the link of the playlist in my reactions in the description, and just go and check it out. And don't forget to comment and like and subscribe and share with your friends. So as you can see, let's get straight into it, and I'm starting with the Life of Muvhimi intro. Yes, let's get straight into it.
MJ Cookie, yeah, you know
yeah. One day we shall know Vima, they know Zoka, who's in a chin, put on my wing, yeah. One day we shall know Vima, they know Zoka, who's in a chin, baby, because I'm a lose. I got one day, put on my wing, baby, because I'm a chin. Baby, I shouldn't go tanga, then you pay her, take my team. Take no Vima, did you talk her? This is not chin. One day after Hopo, must lose, did I win? One day they'll respect us. Jiro wasn't a wound. Cause my G's, I don't respect her. One of my teams push them.
Okay, I can see the pause. Seems like this album, I have some tolerance in sense, because I don't see Takanovima, Tichizo Sina Chin. And one day after album, as they lose, Tichaita win. Yeah, of course. Sometimes the number now simple failure in life, GG. But one day we know that no songo win, amazing. And one day they will respect us, Chero, us now win. Then my G's are not respect our energy, one my team. So it seems like maybe on one, like one occasion, they will be respecting you, like being and posting you on status and stuff for respect. But I was not chin, man. I know you jail after you on a chin. I say,
Jiro wasn't a wound. Cause my G's, I don't respect her. One of my teams push my teeth, push a pain fears that I must cheat. If not that, I'm booked and busy. Don't ever think good Voltz is free. Don't ever think I'm soft and easy. If it looks like that, I'm easy. You gonna under people, I'm that busy. You gonna under, okay. One day is only one day. Imagine that week. They say Mario paid up a Friday. So I jump by a good club. But this too good in a good club. Until Jogavanesa good barambi tinema one. Plus susu tinema plan. Yeah. Life of Muvhimi, Ujona Rambi.
Wait, I said imagine Washanda Wikiri so Mario paid up a Friday. So I jump by a good club. So this is like a club you know pays the money guys. I'm a beers. Like they say your salary go pinda. Yongopinda kana Thursday. Obvious panenge makati mwanga nozongobuda ngekuti yambosvika na paudzu, yambosvika na club 11, yambosvika na Pablos, utopopa mashampeni opera. Mana power opedza mari guys. You know these days I think I'm low key because Buddha maybe kana like group of girls anyways, let's not talk that much. Mungoziya zvanota.
Tinema one, plus susu tinema plan. Yeah, Life of Muvhimi, Ujona Kuri, and his bed. Ajona Shidagwa one by one, head to west. Bashtada, right in your face. Is it but famous same day? Is it blood? They do just it. One day you shall know all my baby. They know to my shoes. One day you shall know Vima. But Zoka was an agent. Then was you see her. One day we shall know Vima, they know.
Before what he respect cannot yeah, there are some friends wekuti kana usina chinhu usina basa newe unongokusiya kuzi hausina chinhu, but kana chine chinhu unonga ari close to you chichi. But anyways, the like real friends chero usina chinhu unoramba inewe. And then fake friends ndiokuti anongouya ine chinhu kana usina chinhu urwabhasi. But real friends vanongokuda wadaro. Yeah.
Anza usina chinhu. One day uchanovhima denodzoka usina chinhu. Daiveka zara maluzi akawanda upura mawin. Daiveka zara chipini. Life yacho inongotanga denyopera toka madzini. Takanovhima tichidzoka tisina chinhu. One day after hobo must lose ndichida win. One day they will respect us. Chero vasina hunhu. Cause my G's I know respect her une madzini. One day uchanovhoma mberi denotoka mashure. One day uchanovhima wodzoka usina chinhu. Then vochikusiya vairevengera anza usisina basa, anza usisina chinhu.
That was deep, guys. This is a dope track. One day uchaenda unovhima inonzwa usina chinhu sometimes, then panenge kuti you can unokwanisa kungovhima, then you also win something. But anyway, shout out to Voltz, dope track, and yeah, life yakazara maluzi. Yeah, life mawan chitani mawan. But anyways, that's it for the reaction video, and let's get to the next one. Yes sir.